Everybody, Robert here with more Revit training. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Helps me out a lot. Make videos like this. So today we had a question from Jose Santos or Jose. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing that right. He wanted to know, how would you make a basic foundation for a house? So I'm working on this little project I've been working on, and I'm going to show you this house, and we're going to do the foundation for this. So this building is something that they would like flip this house. So this is an old structure. This building was built in 1915. So it's well over 100 years old. So if you look here, this parallel is going to be the grade line below here. And then I went into the basement here, pretty cruddy. And so what happens here, you got at grade, you've got this wall here, which is probably the foundation wall. And then from here, it goes up the cavity. Now, in Illinois, they have to do this because of frost line cold weather. So let's get started in Revit. So what you want to do first, you want to open, in this case, you can do this in architectural, but let's do this in a structural template. So we want to go grab our Imperial structural template, say OK. So now the first thing you really want to do is you need to get these levels straightened out. So we're starting at level 2. So let's go look in our elevation. I'm surprised I haven't done one of these. And there are other people that do these. So we've got to look at, let's look at our north elevation here. Now you call that house, we had a lower level here. If we want to start at level 1. Now we can do this way and use that the gray line, but we need to go below. So what I decided to do here, you can decide this is going to be your, say that's going to be 0, 0, which is going to probably be a grade. No, actually, yes, that'll be a grade. And then here we'll place another level here. It's going to architecture, datum, and let's put a level right here. That's going to be the level below grade, one of the levels. And right now it's at 6.6. So what I want to do, I want to make this guy here, I'm going to rename this top of foundation, top of footing. Let's say TOF here. And then we say yes. And so now we got this at -6 right now. I'm going to make this -42 inches. We're going to make this 3'6", -3'6". So that's our top of our footing right there. And then from right here, I'm going to call this one top. Let's just call this I'm not sure. Let's just call this top of foundation. No, I can't do that. Let's just call this level 1. I don't know. You need to give it a good name so you'll know that it's there. So let's just call this, actually we can call this grade. We go there. And yes. So now the grade line is going to probably have to come up. Actually, this is what we'll do. We'll do another level in here. Not trying to make this complicated, but it's kind of important to have it set up. So I'm going to do another one here. Now, from here to here, I need like 7'6" from the top of the footing to the top of the wall. So this is going to be 4 feet from here. Let's make this 4 feet. 0. And we'll call this one let's call this, we got grade, let's call this floor level. Okay. Yes. So now that we kind of have everything set up, what we want to use, we want to have a top of footing, a grade where we're going to finish the foundation wall. And from the grade level, we're going to go to level 1 with cavity walls. Okay, so let's get started. So let's go into this level 2. which is that level 2. I don't want to go there. I want to go to top of foundation here, this level, and then I'm going to draw that walls in. So we're going to go ahead and select a structural wall. And here I want to, this is depth, but I want to go up in this case because of where we started. So we want to go to height. And the height I want to go to is grade. Okay, so now let's draw it on a wall here. So from here to here, it's 13 feet 6. Here's 4. I've got another 8.6 here. This is back 40 feet, 40 feet, yep. Okay, we'll fix that later. There. And this is actually 40, not 46. Okay, so here we go. The next thing we want to do, let's go look at this in 3D and see where we are. Okay, so there's our foundation wall. And if you go and look in that elevation view, kind of got a really guide. So this is where we want this. So that's going to be our grade line, and this is going to be our foundation wall. So now the next thing you want to do while we're in this drawing, we want to go into our 3D view, and then you can select on the structure tab. You can go in and place these footings, isolate a wall here. Oh, I'm sorry, wrong command. So here, we'll go and place our, see that's a little big, we don't want to do it that big, 36, nope, let me see if I can find one. Okay, so let's add these and I'll show you what we can do here. I'm going to just duplicate and modify this one. I'm going to edit type, 36 by 12. Ooh, I'm going to just duplicate this, and I'm going to make this a 24 by 12, or whatever size you require here, and you go to this, and I'm going to say okay, and then here you have to change this value here. I want to make this 2 feet. I want to say apply, and okay. So that looks a little better. So we'll go around, we'll take these all around. Wow, I'm okay, sorry. Picking up the big one. I want this guy. Let me make this in a shaded view or hidden line view. Then we'll just come around and around. So really that's basically how you would do a foundation. Remember, Jose, you have to get the elevations right. So there's my foundation, and then on the next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into this grade level, and then I'm going to draw a wall here. This is going to be my cavity wall. So I'm going to go architectural wall, and then here, that wall is going to have to be created. Let's just for now use this one. And then you'll go in here and you can go wall center lines here. Make sure we got the right size. I'm just pop this one in for now. And as you can see, you can't see it. That is because we're in the structural template and I want to do an architecture wall. But anyway, that's how you do a basic foundation. So hey guys, thanks for watching. And Jose, thanks for watching my videos. And if you need any more questions, please ask. I'm going to continue this project. So see me in the next video. Everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and everybody stay safe. Bye.